how to update Google Play services. So if you want to fix app won't run unless you update Google Play service error, then there are some solutions. So let's get started. First, you need to update the Google Play service on your device. Now before you update the Google Play Store, you need to remove the bugs from the Google service. So first you need to open up your settings, and after that you need to scroll down, go with apps. Under that you can go with manage apps. Under manage apps you need to go with the top right, which has that 3 dots, and then go with show all apps, and here you need to search for Google Play services. Once you find it, tap on the Google Play services, and on the bottom you will have clear data. Tap on clear data and then tap on clear cache and tap on OK. Once you've done this, your problem might be fixed. Now you need to open up your browser on your device and type Google Play service. Once you've searched for it, now here you will have the install option, or you just need simply tap on Google Play service and it will take you to this kind of interface. Now if you have any updates, then you just need simply tap on update, and after updating, your problem will be fixed. Once you've updated, you can just simply go and restart your device, and after that it won't show to update your Google Play services. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.